Hello. So, how much important to select a mask for a Cpap user? Yes, mask selection is one of the most important part of successful Cpap therapy. A technically excellent Cpap can perform poorly if the mask is wrong. A practical mask selection method, how it works. First, start with the patient breathing pattern. If breathes comfortably through nose, mouth closed, then go for nasal mask. Want minimum facial contact, then go for pillow mask, which is called nasal pillow. Frequently breathes through mouth, then go for full face mask. Nasal obstruction or congestion, if happen, then go for nasal mask or pillow mask. If obstruction can be managed, otherwise consider to full face. If there is nasal obstruction or congestion, go for nasal masks or pillows. If obstruction can be managed, otherwise considered full face. High pressure requirement, if there is any kind of situation that patient have that much high pressure requirement, often nasal is suitable or go for full face mask depending on comfort and leak. If a patient claustrophobic, then go for nasal pillow or minimal contact nasal mask. If a patient is basically sleeps mostly on side, then go for nasal pillow or low profile nasal mask. A patient moves a lot during sleep, then go for stable low profile mask with appropriate headgear. So don't automatically choose a full face mask. A common mistake is a patient has OSA. Usually we give a full face mask. Not necessary. If a patient can comfortably breathe throughout the nose, a nasal mask or a nasal pillow can be excellent first choice. A full face mask becomes more attractive when mouth leak is a persistent problem or nasal breathing isn't adequate. Check nasal breathing before selecting the mask. Ask the patient, can you breathe comfortably through both nostrils while lying down? Do you regularly wake up with a dry mouth? Does your nose become blocked at night? Do you have seasonal allergic congestion? Do you normally sleep with your mouth open? Then observe the patient breathing pattern quietly through the nose. If nasal breathing is good, then try it for nasal interface first. If nasal breathing is poor, address the nasal problem rather than automatically increasing CPAP pressure or simply changing the mask.